Do you like saving money? Yeah? Of course you do. Who doesn't? Well, listen to this. There's a brand new tech that just launched, and it's a complete game changer. It's gonna save you money on restaurants, travel, shopping, car stuff, even luxury goods. Basically everything you already buy anyway. Here's how it works. You just link your credit or debit cards, takes like 10 seconds, and then every time you use your card, the system automatically recognizes the purchase. And boom, it triggers cashback. No coupons, no scanning receipts, no weird hoops to jump through. Just go eat, shop, travel, live your life like you already do, and start watching the cash roll back into your account. It's like putting your spending on autopilot. But your money comes back to you. Here's the best part. This thing is 100% free. Zero cost. Nada. You can afford that, right? So if you like money and you like getting more of it just for doing what you already do, download the app right now and start stacking that sweet, sweet cash back. It doesn't get easier than this.